Hey friends, back in the garage for another organizational video. We have put up one of these 48-inch wide metal storage shelves, and it's time to actually add on to these so I can show you just how modular the storage system is. Now, as you can see, we have a whole nother shelving unit here that just arrived. Now, because these are constructed the way that they are, this can actually sit in a middle piece section, meaning we can just build off of this with our new storage unit. Okay, you can see all the pieces laid out here. Now, this is the 71-inch version. Over here is the 48-inch version. It's a little bit narrower this way. And so I'm excited to see what this bigger one looks like laid out next to it. Again, we're creating this barrier wall here for our third bay in our garage. Now, again, what's really nice is these pieces just snap on to the 48-inch version. Everything's modular, fits together really, really nicely. Now again, these kits are designed to be all in one so that they can stand independently, but because they're all designed very similarly, you can add them onto each other and actually save the building process by not having to build a whole separate leg as a support structure. It also gives you the ability to potentially create 3 shelving units out of 2 kits. Okay, you can see things coming together now, and we're ready to put in our crossbars for the shelves. You can see on the 48-inch version, we kind of space things out evenly. I think I'm going to do the same on this shelf, but this is where you can get a little bit playful based off of the things you want to store and the size of the opening that you need for your shelf. Now, one of the other nice little safety features that are built into these shelves, these little pins that come with things, you put these into these little holes right here. It just adds an extra layer of safety in case these aren't slotted correctly, and just means your shelves aren't going to come down. That's going to prevent them from sliding. Okay, you can see we have the frame all built out now. It's time to put our shelves into place. These are really easy. Basically, they just slide down, and then we can just kind of slide them in next to each other and get everything in place. Okay, just a quick pointer as you're putting these shelf pieces in. As you can see, these ones have a lip that slides on the inside and rests on this little shelf on the inside of this bar here. I like that. It's a lot easier to stick in and they stay in place. But a few of these panels have this slot like this that are designed to go on the outside or slip over the crossbar. I don't like those because, as you can see, they're kind of popping up on either side. Now, these would be okay once I put weight on them, but just take note of that. It's kind of strange that they did this. All right, friends, check it out. We have everything in place. It's all looking really good, really sturdy. Like I said, each of these individual pieces are fairly lightweight, but as a collective, it adds up to a really nice shelf. You can also see how modular things are. I just needed one post to hold both ends here, one post there, which means I have a whole leg system that still is available if I wanted to cap that on the end here and make more shelves. The only issue with that is that you would need to source these crossbars and these shelf plates here in order to do that. There you go. We've got a bunch of gear that we started stacking on top of the shelves there. Everything's working really, really great. We're starting to put some weight on this thing and it's not moving a bit. You can again see the length now next to that 48-inch version. So this is gonna be our shorter over here. This is gonna be the longer 71-inch version. We just have a ton of storage. I'm actually running out of things to put on these shelves for now. We've got all this space that's now cleaned up for us to begin the rest of our workshop construction. There you go, friends. That is the metal storage shelf system. It's modular, it holds thousands of pounds, and again, we're giving it a big thumbs up. It's fairly easy construction, a couple little small things you have to take note of, but you should be up and running in less than an hour. If you're interested in grabbing one of these for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below where you can pick it up for yourself. And stay tuned because this garage project is just getting started. We've got a whole lot more to do, and we'll have those videos coming for you soon. Subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.